Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 3. Verify that minus of minus x is equal to x for x is equal to 11 by 15. Let us check this one. Number 1. It is given that x is equal to 11 by 15. 11 by 15. First, let us check the left hand side. Left hand side is given that left hand side is given as this one, that minus in bracket minus x, right? That we can write here as minus in bracket minus, and the value of x is 11 by 15. We can write the value that is 11 by 15. 11 by 15. Then we are getting here minus into minus is plus. We are getting 11 by 15. 11 by 15. And 11 15 is same is equal to x. That is equal to right hand side. Therefore we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side, and therefore it is verified. Right? Now number 2 you see here. Number 2 is the value of x is equal to minus 13 by 17. Minus 13 by 17. Let us take the left hand side. LHS, left hand side. If we take the left hand side, here it is given that minus of minus x, minus in bracket it is minus x. Therefore it can be written as minus in bracket minus. If we take second bracket, it will get better result. Let us take the second bracket here. Let us take this one as second bracket. Right? Here is minus, second bracket minus x. The value of x is minus 13 by 17. The value of x, take the value of x as minus 13 by 17, as minus 13 by 17. Let it close and close the second bracket also. I will find that it is minus second bracket minus into minus is plus, that is 13 by 17, bracket close, and we are getting minus 13 by 17, which is equal to same as x, and that is equal to right hand side. Equal to right hand side. Therefore, you can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side, and it is verified. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.